Hey, welcome back to part 2. Kinda didn't want to make this into a 2-part video, but I wanted to let you know, fully aware or ahead of time, like I said, once your Pokemon goes from the phone, say bye-bye to that Pokemon and never go back into your phone. I know a lot of people will be like, hey, Pokemon, you said you're going to do unboxing, you didn't do unboxing. You just talk about, once the Pokemon goes out of your phone, they are permanently out of your phone, you just set them into Pokemon, let's go to prison, let's go to Pokemon jail. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So again, as I was saying about that whole Catch-22 thing, you can play the game without, the Pokeball that has Mew, but technically to 100% beat the game, fully 100%, you do need the Pokeball, which gives you the Mew, so you can fight the Mew trainer, and then you're going to have to pay for DLC for special trainers that you then have to beat those special trainers with that select Pokemon. So say there's an Eevee trainer, you have to beat with an Eevee. If there's an Umbreon trainer, you have to beat with an Umbreon. If there's an Espeon trainer, you have to beat that trainer with only an Espeon. But those trainers are not in this game. Well, I mean, some of them probably are, but the rest, you're going to have to spend like maybe about $3.99 on that specific character DLC for the Nintendo shop, so you can 100% complete the game. Other than that, no. Also, any Pokemon that you want to send to Pokemon Let's Go to Prison, as in the Pokemon Let's Go community is what we're calling this now. This is the Pokemon jail. Technically, this is Pokemon jail right here. So these are, free, innocent Pokemon that didn't get any rap sheets, any charges, They have a Cream Priest background vector, on the phone here. But as soon as you say, hey, I'm going to send that Pokemon here, well, you just send that Pokemon to jail, that Pokemon now went to prison. And oh my god, that Pokemon would never come back to the phone. So yeah, there's that type of stuff that's going on in there and stuff. So, yep. Trainers be wise, trainers be prepared. Trainers who watch this video will know a little bit of knowledge. What you should do, what you should not do. That you can play the game, but it's just going to be a lot better for that 100%, to complete the game 100%. If you have a Pokeball, and then if you go to Nintendo, Switch eShop, and you pay for special